In this tutorial video, we'll walk you through how to update your inventory using our platform. To get started, navigate to the Inventory tab and locate the Update section. From there, we will select the individual date and insert the number of inventory and length of stay. Next, we will select the channels we want to update and click Save. We can see the numbers have changed. To change the inventory for a specific channel directly from the dashboard, simply navigate to the channel you want to update and make your changes. Alternatively, you can use the Update option to select the dates and channels you want to update. If we have to update inventory for a range of dates, simply we will select the date range and then we will go for the same steps as before, updating the inventory, selecting the particular channels, and saving our changes. As we can see, the selected channel's inventory has been updated according to the date range. For blocking of inventory, head on to the Property Sold Out tab. Select the block option. After selecting the date, we see a drop-down of channels categorized according to room type and then save. As we can see, the inventory has been blocked for all channels for the particular date. To unblock, we have to select the same date and save. For blocking particular room category, select the room type, the Move to Block tab. Select the dates and particular channel. The inventory will be blocked for particular channel.